You should know by now that YouTube is an amazing platform to make a lot of money online. And a lot of people that are having channels on YouTube are actually making it big on YouTube based on the amount of views they are actually getting to their YouTube videos. And they also make money, guys, while promoting affiliate products right there on their videos right now. Now I'm going to just simply show you in this video an alternative platform that you can leverage right now to make money online. That platform is actually quite similar to YouTube right now. Many people consider it to be the alternative to YouTube, and that platform right here is otherwise known as rumble.com. Now this is an amazing platform you want to leverage right here, and I'm going to walk you through how you can use this platform to make money online, how to create videos for this platform. I'm going to also show you the earning eligibility or requirements on how to actually make money on the platform called rumble.com. So stick on with me as we dive right into this video. Coming onto the platform rumble.com, you can see much more details about it. You can see that these are actually platform where you can just simply go into watching some cool and amazing videos. You can check out stuff by creators. You can also follow channels on any niche of your choice right now. To sign up to the platform is absolutely easy. Once you do click on the sign up icon, it's going to bring you right here to this page, and you can see right now on this page I can actually just simply fill out this form such as the names field, the username, password, and basically focus on all the fields having this asterisk signs right now. Now you can actually just scroll through. As you can see, some of the fields are not having those asterisk signs, meaning that they are not important. So you can actually just simply agree to the terms of service and get your account created. Once your account has been created, you can log into your account and you'll be able to see this option right here that says this video icon. If you click on that, you can upload your video and start uploading videos and make money right now. Now you may be wondering if this platform is getting lots and lots of engagement like how YouTube is actually getting, and I assure you the platform is getting some cool engagement, but you can't actually compare that with YouTube Red, because YouTube is actually a very big platform right here compared to Rumble. Now if you do go into analyzing Rumble based on similar web statistics, you actually do find out that Rumble got about 126 million visits in just the last 28 days. Scrolling down to the bottom section, you can actually do see the countries that visit Rumbles the most. You can see that most of Rumble's traffic, about 51% of Rumble's traffic, comes from the United States right now. 7% comes from Canada, 5.5 comes from United Kingdom, 3.9 from Australia, and 3.3 from Germany. And the remaining countries actually share about 27% right now. Now you need to take note that all these top countries right here, all the countries that visit the website the most, are actually top tier countries. So they are countries that you can just simply leverage to make money online. Now how do you make money right here with Rumble? You can make money with Rumble just by joining the Rumble Partner Program. And how do you join the Rumble Partner Program? Maybe if you actually go into setting for the YouTube Partner Program, you can know that with YouTube Partner Program, to be eligible and make money, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and about 4,000 public watch hour and or 10 million valid public short views in just the last 90 days. For the 4,000 watch hours, you have to do that in the last 12 months right now. Now if you scroll through, guys, you can actually do see much more details about this right here. But recently, guys, it has been noted that YouTube has actually went on to reducing this particular subscriber requirement to about 500 subscribers, but you can take note of that right now. But if you compare that with Rumble, you actually do find out that for Rumble right now, you actually need to, you can see right here it says here is a simple process of joining the program. However, there are few requirements to be part of the program. Now you need to have at least 2 streaming hours per day over at least 5 days of a week, a minimum of 50 Rumble followers, maximum of 2,000. You must promote every stream on your socials, and you can see right here that if you fulfill these requirements and among the 50 creators who will be selected, you'll be able to earn about $500 every 30 days. And that's actually cool right now. This is actually easier to do when compared to getting that for YouTube right now. So you can see how cool that actually is. Now you may be wondering how to create videos that you can just simply upload on Rumble right here. Now you can create videos right now just like how I'm doing. You can create tutorial videos, screen record your screen, and just simply give it a very cool voice over utilizing your voice if you actually want. If you don't want to use your voice, you can use AI tools out there. Now you can just simply go on to leveraging platforms like ChatGPT right now. I can just simply ask ChatGPT to write a video script. about make money online. Now if I do ask ChatGPT to do this right now, you can see that in a matter of some seconds, ChatGPT has begun writing the script for me, which you can then go on to converting the script to voiceover, add stock footage with the voiceover, and get your video right there. Voila, your video is actually generated. You can also utilize other freelancer tools or freelancing websites like Fiverr right now. Fiverr is a very cool freelancing website that you can leverage. Right here with Fiverr, maybe I can just simply search for YouTube video creator. And if I just search for that right now on Fiverr, you can actually just see a lot of people are offering this gig on Fiverr for as low as about $15 right now. You can get someone to create a video for you on Fiverr right now. Now this is actually cool. Maybe you could just simply give out the work to a freelancer, the person creates a video, you upload on Rumble, and you make money per the amount of views. And guys, you need to take note that on Rumble you actually make money about this particular amount right now per view right here. That means you're going to be making about $2 for every 1,000 views, and this is between $2 to $10 for every 1,000 views you're actually getting for your videos. So that's a cool way that you can make money right there. So make sure you leverage some cool options right now, like giving the work to a freelancer, or you may want to just simply bank on artificial intelligence on platforms like Pictory right now. Now the Pictory AI is an amazing video editing tool that you can leverage. Just simply give it a script for your video, and it actually convert that script into an amazing video with cool voiceover, with cool stock footage and representations right there, and you can just simply create videos in a breeze right now with the help of this platform. Now you could just simply generate a script for your video utilizing ChatGPT and convert that to a cool and amazing video right now. As you can see, you can use this for YouTube creators, can use this, content marketers, learning and development professionals, and a lot of individuals right here can use this. You can see some of the features are actually text to video, script to video, image to video, and you can add music to video. You can also convert a blog to video right now with this particular cool tool right here. So leverage that right now. You can check out some of the cool stuff right here, such as tutorials, case study, blogs, and creator community, and this is absolutely cool. Although guys, you actually need to go on to paying for utilizing the platform right now, or you could just simply use the free account, which actually has some limitations right now. You could also utilize other platforms like Flicky AI right here. This is also a cool video editing or video creation tool that you can create videos in just simply 2 minutes right now. You can get a video created with this platform. Now another option to take note is utilizing platforms like Opus.pro. that is Opus Clip right now. If you utilize this platform, you can convert one long video into 10 viral clips, and you can create video 10 times faster. Right now with this particular platform guys, AI has actually gone wild just by this particular platform. You can see that you can generate 10 short viral clips, and guys, I'll show you those clips are actually going to be viral clips with just a single video right now. You may want to just simply head on to platforms like YouTube, go on to searching for a specific niche, maybe make money online. If you actually want to just simply utilize a YouTube video right here, I'm just going to come onto this section, click on filter, and filter that to get Creative Commons videos. Why I'm actually selecting Creative Commons videos is because those are videos that you can go on to repurposing without actually facing any copyright issues or copyright infringement law. Now for this particular videos right here, you can just simply go on to getting the link to the video. If I right click on this right now, I can copy the link to the video right now, head back to that particular platform called the Opus.clip or Opus.pro, pasting the link right here, and I can just simply convert that into a video. Now first of all, I'm just going to go straight ahead to my dashboard right here. Now you can see right now guys that this is actually suitable for video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product review videos, and motivational speeches. Now this is not suitable for vlogs, gaming video, and music videos. Now you can see right here that this particular platform actually supports YouTube video, Google Drive videos, VMO links, Zoom, Rumble, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StreamYard. Now that's why I actually selected the YouTube video in the first place. You can just simply paste in that link right now. As you can see, it's going to analyze the link and come up with that exact same thumbnail to the video which we actually did get from YouTube. If you do click on get clip, it's going to analyze the video further, generate some cool titles for some videos, and give you about 10 viral clips. Now what I'm going to do right now is just simply delete this, and I'm just going to show you an example right here. If I do open this right now, you're going to see how cool this actually is. It actually went on to releasing about 10 viral clips right now for just one single video. As you can see, the video are up to, okay, this was about 9 right here, and each of the video is actually having a very cool title, with each of them having a very cool virality score. Now the virality score shows you the likelihood that that video is going to get viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and as an Instagram reel. Now you can just simply keep on scrolling upward. You can see that from the bottom to the top, the virality score actually increases. Now the more the virality score, the better it is for that particular video to go viral. Now you can see this one has a 98% virality score. That's actually the best right here. You can just simply go on to download the video on your device, and just upload that right there on platforms like Rumble, and actually start making money per the amount of views you're actually getting to that right there. Now there's another way which you can also make money right now on Rumble, and that's what a lot of YouTubers are actually doing right now. They are actually going on to promoting a link in the bio of their account. So right here guys, while uploading your video, you can also go on to promoting a link right now. Maybe it might actually be a product right there alongside your video, maybe an affiliate marketing product from platforms like ClickBank right now. You can just simply get an affiliate marketing product also from Digistore24, or you may want to use other products like CPA marketing product right here, or CPA marketing links, so that you can actually make money with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing in the process of making money right now with Rumble. Now that is actually to diversify your income stream right there. Now that's also a good strategy right now. You can also leverage platforms like Canva right here to create videos, upload on Rumble, and also make a lot of money online. Now with all these strategies guys, you just need to come onto this section, upload your video right now by clicking on this upload icon. It's actually going to take you to your device, select the video, and upload the video right here. You want to give the video a cool title, you want to add a very cool description, and in this description section, make sure you're giving them a cool description of what that video entails right there. And also, if you are promoting any link, make sure it's in the description right now. Or if you're promoting a product, make sure the link to that product is in the description of this video right here. And you could also add in categories right now, the category of the video, the secondary category also. You can add thumbnails, you could add tags right now. Tags will actually make this video easily discoverable by a lot of audience. Now you can also check out the visibility. Once you're done, just simply upload that on the platform and begin to make money with this particular platform. Now you make money based on the amount of views you get. Like I told you earlier guys, you're actually going to be making about $2 or $2 to $10 per 1,000 views right now. You can see that right here in this section. You get up to $2 to $10 for every 1,000 views for your videos on Rumble, and that's actually amazing. So why not just simply leverage this strategy right now to make money online? If you're looking for other ways to make money, you may want to check out my channel right here, which is called OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos on cool and amazing strategies to make money online. If you like such kind of content, scroll to the channel. You can actually just check out the videos on the channel. You could also subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.